Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to remove your Windows Hello pin from your sign-in on Windows 11. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is right-click on the Windows Start button and go ahead and select Settings. Select Accounts on the left side, and then on the right side, select Sign In Options. Select where it says Pin, Windows Hello. Go ahead and select that. And then select the Remove option. It's going to ask, are you sure you want to remove your pin? Select Remove. Now you will have to enter in your computer password, not your pin. You have to enter in your computer password here. Select OK. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.